Ladies, I'm so excited. We're at one of my favorite places, Target, and we are getting ready for the fall party season, and you need to look fantastic when you walk in to do your parties because you are a business owner and first impressions are lasting. And you do not have to break the bank to look professional and on trend. So we are going to take you to Target, Walmart, we're gonna do some online shopping, and we're gonna show you how to mix and match and make a perfect fall wardrobe without breaking the bank. Are you ready? Let's do it. Jumpsuits, love them, always in style, perfect for fall, can also be worn with a scarf. Great fall colors. This can be worn by itself, or we can wear all black under it. Love it. The fall black dress. Dresses with sleeves, need the sleeves, looks more professional. No one wants to see your arms, let's just be serious. $25. I got all this for $100. $27. $35. Wear this with dark jeans, you can wear this with. If it comes down to just buying one or two, you definitely need the black. Always go black. Now we gotta find something to go under this. Works. Love it. Typical pair of black pants can be worn with anything. Works great with the full suit, or you can just tuck in. Let's go get some accessories. You want to do something simple, and if you can only afford silver and gold, that will work every time. One silver, one gold. Start there. $12.99. And if you're gonna splurge on pink. Black, closed toe, essential, $30. You don't have to wear heels. You can also wear a cute flat. Like this. You never leave without checking the clearance rack at least one time. Clearance, $20. $17, marked down from $25. Perfect. Dark jeans, black pants, perfect. All right, ladies, from the clearance rack, started at $40, we got it for $19.99. Perfect for fall, can go over a million things. We had a great time in Target, great buys and great fashion trends. Let's head to Walmart. The fall romper, this one is $16.96. Like it. This is cute. Something like this with a jean jacket over it. Super cute. $12. $12.44. We should get it. Oh no, this is ugly. Animal print never goes out of style. You just have to wear it right. I would wear all black and then black little heels or black kitten heels, and then the sweater. $16. You can go more fall color, and you can always go black. You cannot go wrong. Never wear jeans with holes, not allowed, but if you want to get a nice pair of dark denim, literally every pair of jeans in here, $16. So you can get a pair of party jeans, wear them with a blazer, a cute shirt. You just have to make sure this, no. This, perfect. This high-rise skinny jean, perfect. Let's see. The high-rise skinny jean looks great and professional. Sometimes we don't have time to get to the mall, so it's easy to just hop on the computer, go to Amazon, go to a couple of your favorite sites, and I guarantee you we can find amazing party and professionista outfits that are budget friendly. So let's take a look. I haven't looked at anything before. I am just about to type in black work dress because we're women, and it comes right up. And let's see what we have here. Just on the front page, We have 1, 2, 3, 4 that would work. And what do you know? They come in multiple colors. $29.19, my friends. I'm gonna add that to cart. The great thing is you can add to cart, you can go back and delete it. We could also do work dress under $20. Look at all of these that come up. We've got the polka dot in every. Look at all of our options here. Great for fall, amazing for fall. Let's go back. Okay, now let's just see this. Work dress for under $10. Let's see if we can get anything. What do you think? And we did. Take a look. If you're looking for a work dress under $10, you can find it. This is just a simple red or khaki. You can add some accessories and there you go. Also, some people like to wear just pants or a skirt and they just want a really fun top that looks great. So all I put in the search thing was women's business tops, and then up comes about 20 different colors. We love color. And arms are covered, varying style, ranging from $7.99 to $13.99. Amazon is cheaper than the store, my friends. All you have to do is take some time to really and search the right things. And if you don't want to spend over $20, then actually say, women's professional outfit under $20. Ladies, you can find it and you don't have to break the budget. It's all about accessorizing and feeling good and knowing what shape your body is, which is why we have this excellent presentation so that you know what's best for you. Ladies, take a look at these mannequins. This is what we bought at Target, Walmart, Amazon, Kroger. Don't they look great? Just remember, the most important thing is that you feel confident and good about yourself when you're walking into your parties or your team meetings.